time to wake up. Let's go over a couple of things right quick before we get the show started. Number one is safety. For your safety, please stay behind the split rail fence. After the show, when we've all unloaded our firearms, y'all are more than welcome to come down and take pictures with us. But until then, stay behind the split rail fence. We use real guns. We do not use blanks. We use powder charges. They sound better than blanks. So for your safety, stay on your side of the fence. Number two is cell phones. Who here has a cell phone? If you ask my children, every single person in the world but them. But here's the thing, folks, we want all y'all to have fun. So please feel free to take as many photos and videos of the show that you want. All we ask from you now is turn all your volumes off, please. Help your neighbor next to you enjoy the show just as much as you will. Now this is an audience participation show. So who here can tell me what the code of the West is? Any guesses? Code of the West. Put your hands. That's in the Bible. That's also in the Bible. All right, we can't do a religious discussion here. I'll get in trouble. So I'm just going to give it to you. The code of the West is simple, folks. The good guys always win. Hey, what's the code of the West? The good guys always win. Duh. Now there is one more note on safety. You are in the desert. It's a dry heat. It's very important to stay hydrated. So make sure you are paying attention to the beer specials in the cantina. You are also more than welcome to roll on through there, get yourself something to drink, and come back in during the show. It also helps you enjoy the show a lot more. Now, you're going to know these good guys because they have targets on their chests, or badges, depending on where your mind is at. So when you see a good guy, we're going to hoot, holler, and cheer for him, right? Yeah. So let's try that out. Let's hear it for the good guy! Let's hear it for the good guy! All right. And then, of course, we have the bad guy. Come on, folks, I just got divorced. I haven't had authority in a really long time.
Pues eres malo, güey. Dice que se acaba de divorciar.
Now, you're going to know these bad guys because they have a red sash wrapped around their waist. So if you see somebody with a sash on, or you see something down and dirty you don't like, we're going to boo, because I just said so. All right, so let's hear it for the good guy! Now let's hear it for the bad guy. Good. Now who here knows who Marty Robbins is?
No.
Most of you. Well, for those of you who do not know, Marty Robbins was a singer-songwriter. Made quite a name for himself doing cowboy ballads. He's also a native of Arizona, which makes us big fans of him down here. We like to warm up our audience by doing a rendition of one of his songs. How does that sound? How does that sound? All right. So folks, with that in mind, who's ready for a gunfight?
Everybody.
Let's hear it one more time for the good guy. One more time for the bad guy. How about the incredibly chiseled, featured, good-looking guy?
Saca una morra.
All right, folks, sit back in your saddles. Enjoy a taste of the Old West with Marty Robbins and Big Iron.
Ahora, peleadores. Gunfighters. Van a empezar.
To the town of Aubrey rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke to folks
Sí, se va a echar un shot primero.
didn't have too much to say.
Cabrón.
No one dared to ask his business, no
Ahora,
one
borracho.
to make the slip.
Ahora, pariente.
Stranger there among
Ahora, manos frías.
Big iron on his heel. It was early in the morning.
Te pesta la alita, hijo. Ahora, acá viene. Acá viene el bueno. Ahí viene el otro. Sí, ahí viene el malo. Ah, con los balazos. Sí.
Now the stranger started talking, made it plain to folks around.
Se llama Mark.
In Arizona,
sheriff. Es el sheriff ese, güey. Sí, órale.
And he said it didn't matter that he was after Texas Red, after Texas Red. Wasn't long before the story was relayed to Texas Red. But the outlaw didn't worry, man, to try for 4 days. 20 men had tried to take him, 20 men had made a slip. 21 would be the ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.
Habiendo que aquí.
The morning passed so quickly it was time.
Ya la sheriff, órale, cabrón. No quiere aflojar la pistola.
It was 20 past 11 when they walked out in the street. Folks were watching from the windows, everybody held their breath. When this handsome ranger was about to meet his death, about to meet his death. There was 40 feet between them when they stopped to make their play.
40 feet.
And the ranger's aim was deadly with the big iron on his hip.
He got him!
It was over in a moment and the folks had gathered round.
That's not him!
No es.
There'd been more than lay the body of the outlaw on the ground.
I got another one.
Oh, he might have went
Got
on,
another one.
but he made one fatal slip when he tried to match the ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.
Ese es.
Big iron, big iron.
China,
When he tried to match the ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.
Hey!
Denle pelo.
Marty Robbins' big iron, folks.
Órale.
Why are you clapping? You just shot the wrong guy. Okay. What are you talking about? That's a woman. He's got the same beard. Probably from Tombstone. I'm gonna go get loaded. Sounds good. Wait, your gun this time, right? Your gun. Yeah, that too. All right, folks, are we having fun? Yeah! I said, are we having fun? Yeah! All right. Now, the town of Tombstone was established here about 140 years ago. We started off as a handful of miners rolling around to these hills. But within a period of 7 short years, the population here had exploded into over 20,000 people. That would make Tombstone the second largest town this side of the Mississippi, right behind San Francisco. Now, back here in this ravine, those miners dug out over $85 million worth of silver. In today's prices, $1.9 trillion. That's a lot of money, right? Lots of reasons for people to come down here. Now, at that time, we had bandits, outlaws, criminals, you know, that sort. But then the real scum came into town. You know, the bankers, the lawyers, the politicians. Now, up on Allen Street, at that time, we had well over 100 saloons, pouring whiskey 24 hours a day. Some people really miss those days. And then at night, of course, we had over 2,500 ladies of the evening. Now, the show we're going to do for you today, we call it 10-Star Justice. It's about a miner who comes into town looking for his mule, and he has a run-in with a cowboy. Now, of course, cowboy did not have the same romanticized imagery that it does today. Back then, it was a derogatory term. So, folks, with that in mind, have you met our drunk marshal? He's going to need a lot more encouragement than he finds at the bottom of that there bottle. So let's hear it from your marshal. Marshal Baker! What is that? You have your own theme song now?
I don't know what that is, but it follows me everywhere I go.
Marshal, what are you even doing in this saloon? You're paid to be protecting the town.
I'm a family. I'm taking stuff.
How's that?
What's wrong, Miles?
They're all red and bloodshot.
You think that bad for you? Yeah, I see it through mine.
I'm not sure I'd want to. In fact, I bet you couldn't hit a darn thing without this bottle in your hand.
What do you want me to hit?
Wait, what? It's a family show. Here, I'll tell you what. Who wants to see some target practice? Yeah! Then convince me! Yeah! All right, here, follow the trail.
Hey, don't you wish that's the good stuff.
This way, Marshall, come on. All right. Now, you see that red tin cup over there in that there window? Let's see if you can shoot it.
I don't know what you've been drinking, but I see 3 tin cups of that.
You would, you drunk. I'll tell you what. Just aim for the one in the middle. He'll probably get all 3, right?
Yeah! Ooh, that could be dangerous, folks. Don't do that at home.
All right, looks like you're low and to the right. With our barrel.
How's it all? I'm a doctor, but it looks like a prostate problem.
What do you mean move?
Like a gunfight from the head. I better when I move.
What do you call that?
I call that my slow bullet.
Slow bullet. Dude, you have one job. You pull the string. Go home. 1880 special effects, folks. What are you gonna do? Well, Marshall, you hit the cup. You surprised me.
Sometimes I surprise myself too.
Here, I'll tell you what. Let's get you in your office and sober you up with a nice fresh pot of hot coffee. How's that?
Irish coffee?
Not Irish coffee. I'm talking that good, strong cowboy coffee.
I like cowboy coffee. It tastes like shit. Tastes like cappuccino.
Well, folks, he ain't much, but this is your Marshall. Let's hear it for your Marshall Baker. Hey, follow your nose.
Say, are you keeping on that bank over there for me? I got a shipment of gold in there yesterday, and I got to keep it on.
Marco?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
Bank's over there.
I'm okay. I just hit my face.
I don't care. You just ask the bad guy to watch over the town. Bad guy. Tell you what, folks, I'm going to be in the saloon. Still supposed to move.
Ahí en el otro. Ahí en el chivero.
Howdy!
How you doing?
I said howdy.
Howdy, cowboy.
Have you seen a fellow wearing a gun hung slung real low wearing one of them red sachets?
Yeah.
Extra fair for you, dog. Hey, your name, Bingo?
The name is Ringo, Miner. What of it?
Well, I was just down at the Okie Dokie Corral, and a fellow by the name of Mike brought in a mule today.
Well, I'd say Ike's got a big mouth. Maybe I did. What of it?
Well, that's my mule, mister.
That's your mule.
Yep.
Now, how do you figure that?
Well, I can describe her for you.
Okay.
Well, she's a pretty little bit near about, this tall. And she goes from about me to you. And when she walks by, she winks at me like this. Watch.
You're awfully dirty there, Miner.
Ooh, you are too.
Don't touch it. Wait a minute. Did he just say he has a mule wink at him?
Yeah, that's what as soon as I walked by, she just started winking like this.
Anyone else find that really creepy? Pretty sure it's illegal most places too. Well, tell me something there, Miner. That mule of yours happen to have an ear marking?
Ow! No!
No. What about a brand on the backside?
Ow! No!
No. Well, now don't tell me she's out there wandering around on open range.
That's what she does. She roams around out there and eats and stuff.
Well, that's a problem right there, folks. If a man finds a mule out there on open range with no markings on it whatsoever, it should belong to just about anybody who found him, right? Right? Yeah. Hey, I found your mule.
You found her?
Yes, sir, and I brought her into town.
Well, let's go get her, big dog. Yeehaw!
I brought her into town and I sold her.
You sold my mule.
Ooh. Come on, folks. I was kind of thirsty this morning. Bought myself a bottle of mezcal tequila with the proceeds. Where are my manners? Thanks for the drink. You're out of a mule. Adios. Come on, folks. If he had some kind of documentation like a bill or sale or something, we could talk. But he don't, so whee!
I got me one of them bills of sale.
We'll go back to your cave and get it.
Oh no, got it right here on my person.
On your person? That's awfully convenient for the show.
Yep, got the pin number and everything.
What's a min number?
It's called the mule identification number. Duh. You gotta have that in case you get pulled over.
Let's see this bill of sale. It better be signed by the proper authority.
Oh, it is, but it's a little dusty.
Really? It's supposed to go down here. It's on my nose. I feel like Al Pacino. That's okay. It's in my mouth. I need a drink.
Oh, hey, I got something right here for you.
No, that's a prop.
Oh, no. This here's fresh squeezed this morning, but I gotta warn you, you gotta drink it really, really slow.
Fresh squeeze.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you read that bill of sale, and I'll settle the dust in my throat.
Arizona. Oh, hey, I need some whiskey. Whiskey up here. Whiskey. Perfect. Ooh, that's good stuff. I'm starting to get a little bored. Hey, are you okay, mister?
That's a bit dry, Miner.
Yeah, it's from that mine over there. They call it mineral water.
Mineral water. That's his best joke, folks. Help him out. Yeah, that's never going to catch on down here.
Yeah, not
All right, about this bill of sale, it better be signed by the right people.
It is. It's signed by a feeder.
It says federal judge.
Federal judge, Judge Judy.
Who ever heard of a lady judge? Women ain't even smart enough to be judges. It's 1880. I thought y'all knew.
She ain't no lady. She's a pistol. She'll set you straight. You too, mister.
What'd he do?
I don't know. Just give him time. Beat his eyes.
All right, let's see here. Jeremiah Langston, that's you?
That's me, Aries and Singal.
What mule, Jenny?
I like Jenny.
Sounds like you like shrimp too, huh? All right, $10 silver. What's this big old X in the middle?
That there's my cinnamon nature.
Bless your heart. You mean you made your mark because you can't write your signature?
Yeah, that's it.
Well, look in there, folks. He's got himself a legal document.
Got him over a big old barrel.
Big old barrel, all because of that X right there. It's all right. It's not the first X I've ever shot. Some of you like that joke a little too much. And this paper here ain't worth the paper it's printed on. You're out of a mule. Adios.
Adiós, amigo.
Call that man a horse thief. Horse thief.
Was a mule, exactly.
Mule thief.
Let me welcome you folks to the great state of Arizona, where they don't exactly take it too kindly anymore, people walking around profiling like that. Y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. And you go around town accusing folks of stealing horses and mules, you better have a gun to back it with. Now, where's your gun?
Ain't got no gun.
What do you mean you ain't got no gun?
I'm a minor.